Cases which exemplify true social justice lawyering, which bridges the divide in South Africa, are many, such as South Africa's recent case at the ICJ, which sought to stop Israel's bombardment of Gaza. However, 30 years into South Africa's democracy, how far has activism through the law been able to bridge the divide in our society? Advocate for human rights and one of the lead members of South Africa's legal team to The Hague, Advocate Adila Hassim, SC, looked back at the country's landmark cases and the kind of change it has informed to unpack this, such as the Treatment Action Campaign's case, which bridged the gap in access to health care, specifically antiretroviral medication.
Fast forward to where we are now, and we have more than 5 million, in fact, close to 6 million people, not women, all adults, on antiretroviral treatment. This is a case in which you can actually measure the impact it's had. If you just measure one aspect of it, and that is access to medicines. It was a phenomenal achievement.
Despite these achievements, the gaps remain in South Africa's society 30 years into democracy, creating even more demand of the need for activism and the law to intervene in these shortcomings and in turn uphold the values of the Constitution.
It's not all lost, and I think if we were to approach the law thinking that one case can change the world, then you need to revise your thinking on it. The law, unfortunately, is far too conservative for that. It has a role to play. It has a very important role to play. We have a role to play in supporting those who are fighting for social justice. But the case is not really about the law or about the lawyers who are seen in the courtroom bringing the cases. It's about what's happening behind the lawyers who are bringing the cases.
The room full of women attendees, as we prepare to draw the curtains on Women's Month, were encouraged to play their part in shaping social justice and using the law as an instrument for constructive change in a democratic dispensation. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.